Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. The situation on the Bitcoin chart hasn't really changed. It has been a slow day. I suggested that already yesterday morning that due to the holiday weekend in the US, we are likely not going to see very exciting movements over the weekend. Possibly Sunday it will start again. I mean, it can start at any time. Crypto can always surprise. Bitcoin as well, of course. But it felt very, very boring yesterday and very slow. And we had some turbulent weeks. I mean, it's no problem. Just that I think it takes a little bit of Bitcoin takes some time off. That's how it looks like. The situation is unchanged. I want to start on a daily time frame just to show you again. We've got here this wave 1 to the upside into the April highs, the wave 2 to the downside, then another 1-2 setup, which indicates that another pullback is basically due here in the wave 2. The risk is at least high, but as long as Bitcoin is holding above the 78.6 retracement, which is at 27,280, the bear is not back. Okay, this can all still take place in a bull market. So that means overall, I am bullish on Bitcoin as long as we're holding above that level. The market will always tell us when we have to change our opinion or adjust, and that will be the 78.6 retracement level of that move to the upside. Yeah. In the short term, this wave 1 could extend a little higher, might very well get another high. That would be my my expectation. I shouldn't say really expectation because it's not that I have a very strong leaning. It's more like, it would look better with one more high. I would like to see it. It would be clearer. It would make it easier because then we have a very clear 5-wave move up here, possibly even into the 40K region before that pullback starts. But it doesn't need it. It can come down straight away. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame wave count. Here you can see this structure. Bitcoin could have completed in the white wave count a wave 1 already. So the wave 1 that you see here on the daily time frame could be technically complete. It could have been completed here with this high that was made on the 9th of November. We would then form a very, very choppy correction. At the moment, we would come down here. This would be an A wave, B wave, and we would now be moving down in a C wave, which would be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it's not really coming down impulsively. So if this was an A wave and this was a B wave, then the C wave should really come down now. Not really doing it. We're actually holding support. And because the entire structure would look better with one more high, the yellow wave count would allow for that one more high. So we would then say that of this swing low, which was made on the 14th of November, which we call a wave 4, this would be a wave 1 in wave 5 of 1, or wave 2. We're now in a third wave, then a fourth and a fifth. This is a so-called ending diagonal pattern. Again, because of the ending diagonal, it means that we are moving in corrective structures. These subwaves are corrective. They move in ABC structures. And that just doesn't give us a strong leaning, you could say. It's not like I have an impulse to the upside and I can be very confident that, we get one more high and everything. No, it only moves in 3 waves. Basically, what does it mean? We move down in 3 waves, we move up in 3 waves. It just leads to sideways price action. So not much going on there. It could even be that Bitcoin is gonna, move sideways for a little bit before finally making a decision. So I wouldn't rule that out. Let me just delete that dot there. Could even turn into some kind of a triangle here. I mean, I looked at it before the video. It's even possible that this wave 4, which we currently count, finished on the 14th of November, just finished here on Wednesday, and that was the wave 4, and we're now pushing higher in a wave 5. That would look better, I have to be honest with you. It would look better looking at the microstructure, but I need to think about that. At the moment, it doesn't matter so much. What we want is that this B wave low isn't broken. So that is the level at 35,670. A break below that level would lead to invalidation of the yellow wave count here. Already a break below 36,260 would suggest that it's likely going to break, and we might follow here the white pathway to the downside. First of all, into the white box between 33,895 and 34,770, and then maybe even a little lower. So it really comes down to, can we hold these support levels? And Bitcoin needs to break above the 30K level here. Now we've got here a descending trend line. Bitcoin needs to break above it to reach this overall target range there for this extension. But overall, if you watch the last videos, you're very well informed. There isn't much going on. Sometimes we just need to be a bit patient. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.